Welcome to Bamfordrose, and it's another forum chat.
In this week's forum chat, over on our sister channel, Petrol Revolt, we have an interview with Ian Callum. Ian discusses his design of the DB7 Vanquish, the mid-engine concept V8, which lent its hand to creating the DB9. We also get Ian's thoughts on the Zagato interpretations of the DB7 and the V12 Vantage Zagato. Petrol Revolt's episodes of Cars in April is featuring the V12 Vantage Zagato. So what an ideal way for us to understand the styling than to interview the designer of Aston's design language from DB7, Ian Callum. Head on over to Petrol Revolt, subscribe to our YouTube channel, take a look at our website. We've got some cracking merch, but we've got some cracking track days in July and October planned. I'm sure you'll enjoy our interview with Ian Callum, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next forum chat.